Welcome back, my YouTube channel, CoinZF. Could a simple nickel in your pocket be worth more than a fortune? What if I told you the 1999 P Jefferson Nickel, yes, just a 5-cent coin, could be valued as staggering $67,810 million? Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay tuned, because today on CoinZF, we're diving into one of the most talked about, mysterious, and incredibly valuable coins in the collecting world. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of our jaw-dropping coin treasure videos. Trust me, this one will blow your mind. Let's go back to 1999, a pivotal year for coin collectors. The P Mint mark stands for the Philadelphia Mint, one of the busiest coin production facilities in the world. That year, millions of Jefferson nickels were struck, continuing a long-standing series that began in 1938. But what sets the 1999 P nickel apart from the others? Why are collectors whispering about multi-million-dollar sales and hidden gems? Well, let's explore how a regular 5-cent coin can transform into a rare collector's dream. Now, let's uncover what truly makes this coin legendary. The $67,810 million value is linked not just to rarity, but to errors, unique minting conditions, and possibly one-of-a-kind variants. Here's what experts believe could justify such a staggering value. In rare cases, the die used to strike the coin was misaligned, creating a doubling effect on letters or design features. A Jefferson nickel with clearly defined steps on Monticello is extremely valuable. Only a handful from 1999 have full steps, and these command huge premiums. Off-center strikes, clip planchets, and wrong metal compositions have been discovered in Jefferson nickels, and some collectors theorize a 1999 P example has the ultimate combo of errors. Imagine owning a 1999 nickel where the Monticello steps are fully defined, struck off-center, and showing doubled inscriptions. That's collector gold. So, where does the $67,810 million price tag come from? Over the years, rumors and legends have swirled around one particular 1999 P Jefferson nickel reportedly discovered in a private collection. This coin allegedly showed a quadruple die obverse, so rare it's nearly mythical, a mirror-proof-like finish. Despite being minted in Philadelphia, a planchet error, it was struck on a blank intended for a foreign coin. Collectors went wild, and some claim private offers exceeding $60 billion were made by royal numismatic investors. Though unverified, the stories persist across forums and articles. And remember, in numismatics, perception creates value. If a coin is believed to be one of a kind and desirable enough, the sky's the limit. Now, it's your turn. Here's how you can examine your 1999 P Jefferson nickel to see if you've struck gold. Look for full steps under Monticello. Use 5x or 10x magnification. If all steps are clean and visible, that's your first win. Inspect for doubling, especially on Liberty, the date, and in God we trust. Feel the surface. Is it unusually glossy or proof-like for a business strike? That's rare. Check the edge for any oddities, misalignments, off-centers, or layering errors. Weigh the coin. It should be exactly 5.00 grams. Any variance could indicate a wrong planchet. You could be sitting on a fortune without even realizing it. Let's take a quick detour and understand why coins like this become so valuable. Once a coin is recognized as unique or highly desirable, elite collectors compete, driving the price into the millions or billions. Let's look at real-world examples that prove high-value coins are no joke. So, If those coins can command millions, why not a once-in-a-lifetime Air Jefferson Nickel.to confirm your coin's value? Send it to these top grading agencies. These services will grade your coin and verify authenticity. A grade like MS67FS on your 1999 P nickel, that alone could make it worth 6 to 7 figures. That if you suspect your 1999 P nickel is special, do this immediately. Not just toss it back in your change jar. You might have the next multi-million-dollar nick. Now let's hear from you, our amazing Coin ZF community, that I found a 1999 P with weird steps and sent it to NGC. It came back MS66FS. Comment below if you have a 1999 P nickel and what you found on it.so. Could a 1999 P Jefferson Nickel really be worth $67,810 million? While the price may be speculative or legendary, the fascination is absolutely real. This story reminds us, treasure isn't always buried. It might be in your pocket. Thanks for watching another epic episode of Coins ZF. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow collectors. Until next time, keep hunting, keep dreaming, and keep flipping those coins.